If you work with HTML content in Microsoft Word and want more precise visual control, one helpful setting is enabling pixels for HTML features. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn that on in Word in just a few clicks. This is a quick but useful setting for anyone who wants better formatting accuracy when working with web-related content. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Word tips and software tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, look to the top left corner and click the File tab. This opens the main menu where you can access Word's settings and preferences. From there, scroll down the left side menu and click Options. This is usually near the bottom of the list, so if you don't see it right away, just take a second to look carefully. After the Word Options window opens, you'll see a list of categories on the left. Click Advanced. This section contains a lot of detailed settings that control how Word behaves, how it displays content, and how it handles editing features. Now scroll down through the advanced settings until you reach the Display section. You may need to move down a little to find it, so take your time and look for the heading labeled Display. Once you're in that area, find the checkbox that says Show Pixels for HTML Features. This is the setting you want to enable. Go ahead and check that box. Turning this on helps Word display HTML-related elements using pixel-based measurements, which can be useful when you're working with content that needs more exact spacing and layout awareness. After you've checked the box, click OK at the bottom of the window to save your changes. That's it. The feature is now enabled. If Word was already open with a document, you may want to close and reopen the file so you can see the setting take effect properly. If you're using HTML snippets, web-style formatting, or content that needs more accurate positioning, this setting can make your workflow a lot easier. And just to recap, the steps are simple. Open Word, go to File, open Options, select Advanced, scroll to Display, check Show Pixels for HTML Features, and click OK. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content and lets me know you want more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.